B. Sujata, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Humanities, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Newton's divided difference formula, which is one of the methods to find the intermediate value when the intervals of x are unequally spaced. So in the previous video, we discussed about Lagrange's interpolation formula, which is one of the methods to find the value of y when the values of x are unequally spaced. The contents in this video are the formula for Newton's divided difference method, then how to form a difference table, properties of divided difference formula, and a problem is solved using Newton's divided difference formula. So the Newton's divided formula is given by f of x equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into f of x naught x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into f of x naught x1 x2 plus etc. So here f of x naught x1 is the first divided difference value. F of x naught x1 x2 is your second divided difference formula, divided difference value, and so on. So this is the way to form the divided difference table. So values of x will be given, which is given as x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and corresponding f of x or y value will be given in the problem. So you have to check whether the values of x are equally spaced or unequally spaced. So Newton's divided difference formula can be applied for both equal and unequal intervals. So the first divided difference is formed using the formula. So that is, we have to subtract this f of x1 and f of x0 divided by x1 minus x0. So this f of x0 x1 is our first divided difference value, and which is denoted by del. Then second divided difference is formed by subtracting these two values and dividing x2 minus x0. So this is denoted by del square, and so on. So let us see an example to form the divided difference table. So the values of x are given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding to x, the f of x values are 0, 1, 8, 27 and 64. So here the values of x are equally spaced. Even though values of x are equally spaced, we can apply Newton's divided difference formula. So for the unequal intervals, we can, for both equal and unequal intervals, we can apply this formula. So let us see how to form the first order differences. So subtract this 1 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. Then 8 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. 27 minus 8 divided by 3 minus 2. Then 64 minus 27 divided by 4 minus 3. So this is our f of x0, x1 or delta value. To form the second order differences, subtract this 7 minus 1 and then you have to divide by 2 minus 0. Then 19 minus 7 divided by 3 minus 1 and so on. The second order differences is denoted by del square. Third order differences denoted by del cube, that is f of x0, x1, x2, x3 and so on. The properties of divided differences are: the divided differences are symmetrical in all their arguments. The operator del 1 is linear. The nth divided differences of a polynomial of nth degree are constants. So let us see a problem to solve by the method of Newton's divided difference formula. So the problem is, using Newton's divided difference formula, find the value of f of a given the following data. The value of x are 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13. Corresponding to x, the f of x or y values are given as 48, 100, 294, 900, 1210 and 2028. So what we have to find? We have to find the value of y, that is f of x. when x is equal to 8. So which lies between this 7 and 10. So our answer will be in the range 294 and 900. That is in between 7 and 10, the unknown value 8 is given. So corresponding to that 8, we have to find the value of f of x. So using Newton's divided difference formula, we are going to solve this problem. So we have to check whether the values of x are equally spaced or unequally spaced. If it is unequally spaced, we can apply Newton's divided difference formula. So what is the difference between 4 and 5? It is 1. The difference between 5 and 7 is 2. The difference between 7 and 10 is 3. Difference between 10 and 11 is 1. Difference between 11 and 13 is 2. So here the values of x are unequally spaced. So now we have to form the divided difference table. So the values of x corresponding f of x are written. Then delta f of x or f of x naught x1. That is our first divided difference. So how we have to solve? We have to subtract this 100 minus 48 divided by 5 minus 4. Then 294 minus 100 divided by 7 minus 5 and so on. Then you have to form the second divided difference. That is denoted by del square f of x or f of x naught, x1, x2. So what's our procedure? You have to subtract this 97 minus 52 divided by 7 minus 4. Then 202 minus 97 divided by 10 minus 5 and so on. Then del cube, the third divided difference value, that is f of x naught, x1, x2, x3. Then till you get the constant value, you have to continue this table. So when del power 4, fourth divided difference value becomes 0, we can stop the table. Now we have to apply the formula. So what's the formula? To find the value of y, when x value is given in the problem. So our unknown value is x is equal to 8. So corresponding to x equal to 8, we have to calculate f of x. So the formula is f of x equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into del f of x naught. That is our first divided difference value. Plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into del square f of x naught. So which is second divided difference value or f of x naught, x1, x2 plus etc. So from our problem, the value of x naught is 4, x1 is 5, x2 7, x3 10, x4 11, x5 1 is 13. And unknown value x is equal to 8. So f of x naught is 48. So this is x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. f of x naught is 48. f of x naught, x1 or delta f of x naught is 52. f of x naught, x1, x2 is 15 or it is equal to del square f of x naught and so on. So substitute these values in the given formula. So we'll be getting the value of f of 8 as 448. Yes. So which lies between. So we are finding the value of x is equal to 8. So the answer is 448, which lies between 294 and 900. So this is the way to find the unknown value of x when the values of x are unequally spaced.